Help support our coverage using Blueberry, the community that gives creators the ability to make money, get detailed audience measurements, and host their audio and video. Get 30 days to try out the service using promo code Blueberry004. That's BLUBRRY004.
We have our next guest here. Hello.
Hi.
How are you doing today?
Thank you. I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing well. Go ahead and introduce yourself.
Yeah, my name is Anastasia. I'm CEO and founder at Mosqitter. Yeah, Mosqitter, just will do a short introduction. Yeah, we are an engineering company to develop ecological and innovative products for pest insects control.
And, okay, so we've had you guys on the show before.
Exactly.
I don't remember if it was last year or...
Yeah, it was last year.
It was? Okay.
Yeah, actually we introduced first our product here at the Consumer Electronics Show in 2020. Then we had
I think we also had you on the show in 2020, if I remember.
But I think we were not here with you that year.
Okay.
I think last year was
maybe we invited you and you didn't have it in your schedule. No, y'all were busy. Your booth was always busy. So
yeah. So
let me help you out a little bit. We'll do
this to manage the thing.
There we go. We got you. So tell us about the product.
Yeah, sure. So actually, we first introduced in 2020 our smart, eco-friendly mosquito control system. It is software-driven mosquito trap. What it does, it in an ecological way traps mosquitoes.
Okay.
That is a huge problem out there because they cause the problem to half of the world's population.
We're from Florida.
Yeah.
We know all about mosquitoes.
Yeah.
They're awful.
Exactly.
And in other parts of the world, they're even worse because they have things like Zika. And
Exactly. And in Florida, by the way, there was also Zika outbreak out in 2017, if I'm not mistaken. So the problem is only raising and expanding to the new territories, but not only mosquitoes are there are a lot of other pest insects that should be targeted in a more efficient, innovative way.
Okay.
Yeah, because there are lots of chemicals that are used, and actually the approaches are quite outdated in the industry, and thus our company targets to shake up this traditional approach in the industry. And
for sure.
Yeah, and since introduction of Mosqitter in 2020, we installed the machines in 4 continents. And many people already enjoy the clean ecosystems around people's habitats, and this makes a really great experience for them. And that's why we want to develop even more in the new territories. We do it with strong distributors out on the market because we understand this can help to make us real impact and to shake up really the industry.
Okay. So I notice here on the pamphlet that you've brought, I see 3.0. Exactly. So there must be some iterations of this. What have we got new in 3.0 that we haven't talked about before?
Yeah, sure. 3.0, we were working towards this. We always say that we try to make each new generation smarter.
Sure.
And to bring new opportunities in this device. Now it is controlled via application. Now you can download this application from the Apple Store and Play Market.
Okay.
And operate it from here, your Mosqitter in Florida.
Awesome.
And also, we, as we now make our steps towards U.S. market, previously we introduced in India, in Europe, and our research and development team is back in Ukraine. We opened, yeah, we opened, and we are proud of that, really, how they sustain and do develop the product. And we opened the office in Pennsylvania last year.
Okay.
And now we make go-to-market steps in the U.S. Yeah, and about the new opportunities of the Mosqitter. So as far as we target a lot hotels, restaurants, condominiums, and we see that multiple machines should be installed in the territory. We understand that giving the opportunity to remotely control, to monitor the situation of your device gives the user experience really great user experience. And
nice.
We work more to make it even smarter, to analyze mosquitoes that machine catches, and thus we hope that we can introduce even more news soon.
So what are we? So you're analyzing the mosquitoes themselves. What are we analyzing them for?
Actually, it's very important to understand the density of mosquitoes in this or that territory, and because, as you mentioned, that there are Zika, not only Zika, but dengue, malaria, and many diseases outbreak in the world, and only certain types of mosquitoes, species of mosquitoes, bring certain types of diseases. By analyzing which type of mosquitoes are there, you can preliminary understand the possible threat in this or that territory. So. It's the similar as we now analyze air quality, and mosquito index is something that we do not know, and our machine, by catching thousands of mosquitoes inside of it, can give really valuable data out there.
Sure. A mosquito index. That's not a phrase I was exactly prepared for, but it but it makes sense. Interesting. So you're able to determine essentially what type of mosquito is being caught, and therefore from there, different types hold different possible hazards.
We eat a piece of cake at one time. So we started first to introduce really efficient machine for catch mosquitoes.
Right.
Then we made it smarter, and we did so that it can be remotely operated. So it is very efficient, and there are multiple ingredients that catch and attract female mosquitoes that cause diseases and bite. And now we are working more on analyzing the data and to make it even smarter. So in our vision, we do have this information. We provide this information within our application, so we are not doing it right away. But that's something you will get on the next phases of Mosqitter.
Okay. So, but it is something that's actively being worked on.
Exactly.
The technology exists. You're just working on rolling it out.
We are working on it. Rolling it out.
Awesome. So, where did this come from for you? Like, why was this the problem that you wanted to tackle?
In Florida. It came up in Florida.
Okay, of course it did.
Yeah. Actually,
where else?
And it came from chemicals, because the chemical threat that, again, back to that time where it was Zika outbreak, how it was treated from airplanes, just the chemicals were sprayed around to kill those mosquitoes with the diseases. But there is so many technologies out there for, and we understood that this is the problem, that is not targeted enough, because there are much more to be done, and that's how our engineering team in Ukraine started working along with the scientists to understand how we can target this machine. So what we do actually, we combine scientific background and software and hardware, combine it and bring the solution on the market. That's how we come to a really efficient product.
Okay. Fascinating. As far as rollout and availability, where are you on the product line? Obviously, you're on version 3, so there are at least 2 versions that are out there in the wild now.
Exactly. Those versions, they are widely available in India, in Europe, in Ukraine. We actually, as far as we introduced it in 2020, right before COVID approached us all. So our intention was to start from the US market, but we postponed our plans, and thus we got back them only now.
Okay.
So next markets for us are Brazilian and US market.
Okay.
That's what we are working on now. So we anticipate to make them available in the US within this year.
Okay.
And for these purposes, we are looking for strong distribution partnership, because we understand that with good partners, we can bring real value on the market, and to decrease this burden that creates both to the health, environment, and third, the economic losses, all of these problems that bring pest insects. Yeah.
You know, it's a lot of stuff that you're trying to target, and one device does seem like it has that ability. People are going to want to find out more about this. How can they do that?
Sure. Thank you. Please reach us with mosqitter.com and connect us with Facebook, LinkedIn, and we would be happy to let you know more about our technology. Thank you.
Fantastic. And before I let you go, do we have a price point? If it comes to the U.S., do we have a...
Yeah, we're going to have a rough of $2,000 for this product. Yeah.
Okay. And how big is it? Is it...
It's quite big.
Okay.
It's 120 meter, so I should transform it in inches. Yeah, though. Yeah, it's quite a big product. Thus, it's for outdoor usage and to create all this mosquito-free ecosystem. But we do have some new products in line that would be released quite soon.
Okay.
So there are quite a lot of things to address, but we address them specifically with different technologies. So
Very nice.
Mosqitter is here. And some other products in line are coming up soon.
Very cool. Well, thank you so much for coming and talking to me.
It was great.
I love seeing how companies that we've had on before have progressed since we've last seen them. So
thank you.
Absolutely.
Thank you for having us again.
And good luck getting a distributor.
Perfect. Thank you a lot.